Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Marquise, Meda, joined by Ivan once again. And usually whenever I meet up with Ivan, we're either setting something on fire, blowing something up.
Yep.
None of that today, but we are going to make some objects levitate using Bernoulli's principle, right?
That's exactly correct. Yeah. So we have here a couple things here. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration with this hair dryer and this ping pong ball. And see, and I'm gonna. Should I make it levitate right now?
Let's make it happen. Let's make the
right.
magic happen.
In 3, 2, 1. Come on, that's pretty cool, right?
So how does this work out?
Yeah, so Bernoulli's principle is basically the idea that faster moving air has a lower pressure with slower moving air at a higher pressure. And so actually, what's happening here is that the higher sort of pressure that's around the sides is sort of holding the ball in this sort of cone here, this rectangle here, while the low pressure that's the high speed is sort of keeping it sort of bouncing upward. Now the reason why it's coming down is because gravity is pulling it down towards the ground. So it's kind of levitating in the air there.
Kind of just staying stationary in the air as you get the high velocity coming from the hair dryer. You also have the force of gravity almost balancing it out, so it just remains in place.
That's exactly correct, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, and I also have here just a quick thing for friends at home if they wanted to sort of replicate what they saw here, but in a more low-tech version. I have here these levitation things that I made here. There's a bit of a model here. This is model 1, as you would say here. And it's pretty simple. All you really need is a template like this. So it's a circle template with a line going through it. You just need some scissors, a straw. A bendy straw is better, but we have these straws here, as well as some tape to put it all together. Now, with our newfound sort of levitation devices here, all we really need to do is blow on one end, put the ball in the other, and let's see Bernoulli's principle in action at home.
That actually worked pretty well. Now I'm afraid to go second because I got a tough act to follow. All right, let me
Go for it.
I might need some more tape. Hold on.
Sure, yeah.
You're the expert. I'll let you hook it up.
We'll fix some there. We'll affix one more right there. And there you go.
All right, moment of truth.
Would you like some help?
Yeah, I'll take some assistance. Here you go.
All right.
All right.
There you go.
I'm glad it worked for a split second. So that's Bernoulli's principle in a nutshell, or better yet, in a shell of straw and paper. But I'm glad that we can make it work, teach you guys a little something throughout Engineering Month. But there's so much more to learn here at the Orlando Science Center. And all throughout the month of March, we are highlighting Engineering Month. And I can't wait to see all of you guys' faces rather soon.